Have you been thinking about relocating to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and are wondering what the top 5 neighborhoods are that might be hidden gems that you might not know about in your research? Well, you're going to want to check out this video where I highlight, I feel, the top 5 neighborhoods that doesn't get a lot of press. My name is Stanko and I'm with Remax Real Estate, and I'd love to be your realtor of choice. So come with me while I take you on this journey of the 5 hidden gems of Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. My top choice, because I used to live in this neighborhood, is where we're filming today, the Highlands neighborhood. This is a little hidden spot that a lot of people call home and live their entire life in the Highlands community, and then their kids live here. It is just a special little spot that you would love to find if you are looking for a community that is very Edmonton centric, and it's very close to River Valley access. There's the Highlands Community Golf Club that is just 5 minutes away from where we're filming it. They have horse drawn carriages during the winter for Christmas festivals. Right behind me is lawn bowling. There is just so many different community-oriented events that happen here. Some stunning colonial style properties are in this neighborhood. As you go further towards the River Valley, you hit Ada Boulevard. Ada is a little bit more expensive properties because it is River Valley views, and there is a lot of infills if you are looking for a newer property and don't want to invest all your hard-earned money into an older property. Lots of character and a lot of beauty in this type of neighborhood. So in my opinion, number 1 is the Highlands community. Number 2 choice is Strathcona. Strathcona has some really sweet little spots within the whole Strathcona community. So Strathcona has an area called Skunk Hollow, very executive mansion style homes in a really hidden spot right near the River Valley. It's one road getting in, one road getting out. Also in Strathcona, there is some older homes that were built hillside. They don't have big yards, but they are 2.5 and 3-story, and there are some new homes in there. It's also right near the River Valley and only 5 minutes from downtown. So it is a really sweet hidden gem that I think is amazing if you are looking for that sort of feel. Another area that I would say is a bit of a hidden gem is Riverdale. Riverdale is, again, located in a river valley. It also is hop, skip, and a jump to all the River Valley trails. And when I lived in Highlands, I used to be a huge walker, and I used to walk almost, I'd say, about 5 miles a day, and I'd go into Riverdale from the Highlands area, and I'd go scooch around and do a whole loop in the River Valley, and the trails are beautiful. Number 4 would be Cloverdale. Cloverdale is a sweet little community that's located in the River Valley again. This community is the home of the Edmonton Folk Festival, Mootart Conservatory. There is a new LRT station there. This community is very difficult to buy into because there are not a lot of homes that sell. Again, you're looking at a 1940s, 50s homes there. There are some 2 stories and some 3 stories. You can build a very high house there with a city view as well. I would say my number 5, because a lot of the homes or areas that I featured have a bit of higher end homes, would be Sherbrook. Sherbrook is kind of on its own. It is very low in price still, so you can still get a home there for around $350,000. Why that is, I have no idea. The redevelopment, that area is very against redevelopment, so there is not a lot of infills in that area, and I feel when infills come in, then the prices start going up. I think it is a major hidden gem. You're only 2 minutes from Inglewood, and Inglewood prices have already skyrocketed. You're not that far from Glenora or North Glenora, and it is got a really nice sense of community, really nice park, and affordable housing. It's surprising me that area continues to not appreciate and skyrocket. My name is Karen Stanko, and if you are thinking of relocating, I'd love to be your realtor of choice. So I'd love you to check out more of my videos and to subscribe, because that always helps me with more videos to make for you. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.